This quick guide explains how to buy shares of O'Reilly Automotive Inc. O'Reilly is a U.S. automotive parts retailer listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker ORLY, and this information is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically need to verify your identity with a government ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ORLY to find the company listing. Make sure you select the correct O'Reilly Automotive Inc. entry on NASDAQ before proceeding. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent activity. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and the platform will request additional funds if your balance is insufficient before final confirmation. Once executed, your ORLY position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps shown here.